Wilt never got into the 80s. Kobe's the only guy so far in the 80s. What amazes me about this, he also shot over 50% from two and from three.
Yes.
From two and from three. And people are nitpicking. They're saying, oh, he only got 2 assists.
That's a good point.
He shot 46 times.
Well,
the Kobe hating is preposterous. He's the best all-around, all-court player in the game.
This is a show.
I'm on my 24 shit, cause we Kobe this shit. We Kobe this shit. We Kobe this shit. We so above the rim. We so above the rim. We over this shit. What else we got to do but take over this shit? We Kobe this shit, if you know what I mean. Cause every 24 I'm on my number 5 ring. We so above the rim. We over this shit. What else we got to do but take over this shit? We Kobe this shit, if you know what I mean. Cause every 24 I'm on my number 5 ring. We deserted the game. Now they treading us like moose tracks. We wear the roof at notorious lines from a 2-pack. And the game we secure above the rim from the new jack. They throwing shots of hip hop, but where's my death suit at? The races I can't do black. This hands over the Bible. So vital, run away from Jordan. I'm on my 5th title. 2 American Idol. We allergic to what Simon says. Check me what the diamond says. Purple, yellow, shining threads. Minor head that I feel Jackson on all 10. 60 niggas is jaw in. On the mic, record in. I'm all in. When I touch the rock, I start spalled in. Kobe with the Caucasian, more babies than who spalled in. Center like the South in. Lucas of the game. We Kobe this shit. Newcomers LeBron James. Cause we 100 in the game. Call it Wilt Chamberlain. Nuts dangling. I complete the 5th foot, my fingers. We so above the rim. We over this shit. What else we got to do but take over this shit? We Kobe this shit, if you know what I mean. Cause every 24 I'm on my number 5 ring.
I put it down for my city, took a round in my city, punchline came. So I wear the crown in my city, rest in peace to Quante. My nigga died in the city, 30318, west side of the city. Your hooks is okay, but you ain't too lyrical. Shit, I put my soul in it, writing Negro spiritual. It's low key and BDOTs, like we in debt a couple $1,000, cause we OGs. I'm sick of tell haters wish me well, catch me throwing money around, call it a wishing well. You could never walk in my shoes, how could you understand that? You ain't never been in similar circles. I got niggas from Bankhead to Candler Road, still fucking with gay like Amber Rose. So if hip-hop is there, then I must be a ghostwriter. And we got bread, I'm buying bars, no ghostwriter. And I'm making a killing, my pockets boosted the murder rate. The king back like Martin Luther's vertebrae. Low-key, he Kobe, I'm Magic Johnson, busting at the police. Katherine Johnston.
We so above the rim, we over this shit. What else we got to do but take over this shit? We Kobe this shit, if you know what I mean. Cause every 24 I'm on my number 5 ring. We so above the rim, we over this shit. What else we got to do but take over this shit? We Kobe this shit, if you know what I mean. Cause every 24 I'm on my number 5 ring.